let's make some air-fried French fries. First, take 3 potatoes and make sure to wash them and scrub them really well, and then go ahead and peel them. Now you have them all peeled. The next step is to cut them. So at this part, be really careful with your knife and start by cutting the potato in half. Then flip it over onto the other side, so the flat sides on the cutting board, and then cut vertical strips just like this. And then take those strips, they're about 1/4 inch or so thick, and then cut them just like this. And then add your chopped potato to a clean bowl. After they're all chopped up, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Drizzle that over and mix it in really well. And then my special ingredient, some paprika. Sprinkle that over as much or as little as you want. You can also leave it out, totally up to you. You can really customize this recipe to however you like. Add some garlic powder, just plain, and we're gonna add the salt last, so stay tuned for that. Now go ahead and take your parchment paper, place it over your air frying rack. If you have a different type of air fryer than I do, where you don't have a rack, that's totally fine. Follow the recipe just like this and leave out the parchment paper. Now lay your fries on the parchment paper. Make sure that they're all separated, laying flat, so that they each get the heat distributed evenly. That part's really important to make sure that your fries cook evenly. And here's my air fryer. I'll link it below in the description for you. And it's really nice because it has a fry setting, but it'll be at about 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And I had to make 2 batches, but 1 batch is just like that. And there you go. Look at that. It looks so good. I always like to check them with a fork to make sure it's completely cooked, which these ones looked really good just after 20 minutes. And now we're going to add the salt. I'm using about an 1/8 teaspoon. Just mix that up. And there you go. Enjoy.